Hi, my name is Wyatt. The invention that I built is called the Kid Organizer. The purpose of my invention is to help organize kids' stuff, whatever they have. And this is my invention. And this is how it works. It helps me so like if something's on the ground like this, I can simply put it in there.